about fruits. Okay? Afia, what is the fruit name?
Orange.
Orange. Place it. Very good. What is this? What is the fruit name? Very good. Place it, Alfia. Place it. Where is it? Very good. The fruit name? Pineapple. Very good. Place it, Yuvasri. Place it. Very good. What is this fruit name? Sahana. Very good. Place it. Good. Okay, Zoya. What is this fruit name? Grapes. What is this? Grapes. Place it. Place it. Very good. Okay, next. What is the fruit name? Pineapple. Pomegranate. Very good. Place it. Okay. Very good. Then what is this fruit name? Mango. What is this? Mango. Very good. Okay. So, okay, what is this? What the fruit name? Guava. Very good. Place it. Very good. So this all are. What is this?